Hey everyone, I'm Tammy Salamone, the Pink Survivor. Welcome to a little 5-minute upper body workout. So today we're gonna get started right away with some bicep curls. So I've got my elbows kind of tight at my side, and then the arms are just coming up and all the way down. That's it. So we're gonna work the front of the arm first, and then I'll move you through some different exercises and you will be done. You know, you can do a combination, you can do a couple of these videos if you want because they're only 5 minutes long, or if you are short on time, in 5 minutes, you're definitely going to feel this, and then at least you did something and just move on with your day. If you can maybe add in, take the stairs today or park super far away if you do any errands, that would be great. Down here, and we're gonna do 2 more. Perfect. Now, very similar, it's going to be out to the side. So coming up, I'm squeezing my biceps and back down. I really like this one, just that little change and I feel a difference. So let's do a few of these. And this is only 5 minutes long, so before you know it, you're going to be done already. And you're like, wow, I do feel that in my upper back. A few more here. Okay, 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Next, we're going to go into a tricep kickback. Turn to the side here for you. So I've got that little bend in my knees. My elbows come back, and then my arm. Got it? So I straighten it out, and a little pause right there. It's perfect. Little pause. Perfect. You will definitely feel it. We did the front of the arms, now we've got to work the back. And you see my leggings that I'm wearing today. They're new and they're from Style and Fitness. And they're just so great. And actually, I'm gonna put my code maybe in the comments here because you can get 10% off of any of their items there if you use my special discount code. So you guys like them. And a few more here. And let's do 2 more. 1, 2. Perfect. Okay, let's go in now to let's see, we did the bicep, tricep. Let's do another tricep just because we really want to work that. We did 2 biceps. So this time I've got my weights together, overhead, going to the side again, coming up and back down. So my elbows are staying close to my head, kind of close to my ears, but I turn to the side. And then I go down and back up, down, up. So focus, on the back of the arms right here. And you're kind of just going, feeling that in your tricep. A few more here. You guys are doing great. Let's keep going. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Okay, let's move into now a little bit of a side bend. I just wanted to kind of mix it up, give her upper body a little bit of a break. So this is the one where I like to kind of have my weight kind of resting on the one shoulder, but then the other weight's down here, and I'm going to kind of go down to the side and back up, down. This little side bend, good for the side of the waist. Let's do this here. We need that too, right? Gotta get it all in shape. And also, while I'm doing this, I am focusing on kind of sucking in my abs. So I also like you to think about that. Think about your core. Let's do 1 more here. We're gonna switch to the same thing on the other side. Grab that here. Really make your core strong. Kind of suck in your abs there as you're doing this. So you're working the front of your abs and the side. Even better. A few more here. You guys are almost done. This will be great. I hope you guys have a great day, and if not, this is the end of the day. What a great way to finish it and get a good night's rest of sleep. A few more here. Okay, let's do 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next one we're gonna do is called the 21. So what you're going to do is you're going to first do a bicep curl that comes halfway up, okay? So we're doing this for 7, if I count right. 6 and 7, I believe. Now the second 7 are going to be halfway up, but then all the way up, but stop. 2, 3, got it? 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last 7, making the 21, all the way down, all the way up. Good, perfect. 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're just gonna finish it out with a few punches. Get a good stance here. I like to have one foot in front and one foot behind, you know. Got your weights here, and then just do some little quick punches. Try and stabilize your body and not, you know, going side to side. So keeping your core tight again. Get a few punches in here, and you're gonna be done. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.